Hello everyone, today's video is a Fashionphile unboxing. Yes, you guys, a Fashionphile unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased from Fashionphile, as well as I know you read the title down below, then go ahead and keep on watching. First, before we get started with the video, let me ask you to go ahead, if you like videos like these, go ahead, hit that like button, as well as stay tuned to my channel for more videos. I have some more upcoming unboxings that are going to be coming up. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more unboxings or reveals. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. This piece right here that I have that I wanted to talk about from Fashionphile, I've wanted this piece in my collection for so long. This is a bag that I work towards, you guys. I don't want to say a holy grail, but kind of like a holy grail bag. I absolutely love chain bags. I love the Rebecca Minkoff chain bags, as well as I love Tory Burch Kiera bags and some of my other chain bags in my handbag collection. You guys know I love the Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Loves, the Kurt Geiger bags. So I think it was just a natural process to work towards in my handbag journey, getting one of these double flap bags, you guys. So yes, that's what it is. It's a Chanel double flap. I'm so excited about this bag, you guys, and I wanted to share this with you guys on my channel. Before we go ahead and get started with the unboxing, I wanted to say that I'm absolutely loving my pink teddy bear. I saw this teddy bear, rose teddy bear, on Pink Butterfly 411's channel, and I just loved it so much, you guys. You guys know we all love the roses. I love the roses, and I wanted to go ahead and pick up that pink teddy bear. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and let's get started with this unboxing. So as you can see, it's a real true unboxing. I wanted to make sure that I shared this with all of you guys that have, followed me along my handbag journey. I wanted to make sure we shared this together because I really felt like this is kind of, like I said, like one of my holy grail bags that I've been wanting out of my, to add to my handbag collection. So I haven't done anything to it. You see, I'm opening it now on camera. Let me say, it was so hard. It was so hard to receive this package from UPS that came all the way from Fashionphile in Carlsbad, California. It was so hard to receive this package from UPS and not open it, you guys. That was so hard to do, to have it and not open it until I was able to, open it live in front of you guys right now, or, open it on camera with you guys, before I was able to go ahead and record this video. So, like I stated, this is just a bag that I wanted to work towards. Okay, so here we go. And I'm going to be quite surprised myself because, I haven't had a chance to look at this baby. So here it is. This is the way it comes. And we have to give Fashionphile, I have to go ahead and give them kudos for their packaging. You guys know how they are. They do such a good job with the packaging, you guys. They make it look so nice. Their presentation is always, I dropped the card. That's okay. Their presentation is always on point with the different confetti and the way it's wrapped. I haven't done a Fashionphile unboxing on my channel in a while. Excuse me, you guys. I'm going to grab this card. But I haven't done a Fashionphile unboxing on my channel in a while. I purchased a couple of my Louis Vuitton bags from Fashionphile. My Noe, my Alma came from Fashionphile a while ago. I had a Tivoli from Fashionphile. But this is my first Chanel purchase from Fashionphile, you guys. So yeah, I gotta hype it up. I gotta big it up because I'm excited. Okay, so this is the way the receipt came. And so I have my receipt. Go ahead and open that up. So here's the receipt for it. And then you get the thank you card in here. They do such a good job with their packaging. And then it says sell, shop, repeat on the card, and then it says we want this back, because I believe they have like different programs that you can get into. I don't know the exact time frame, but I know they have a program where you could sell your item back. This baby ain't going back, but they have a program that you could sell your bag back, if you decide to. If I don't know, if you keep it and maybe it doesn't work out, or if you just decide to change your mind at a later date, maybe you could sell it back to them. I know they do have a sell program, and I do know that they do have layaway I think it's something like maybe 60 or 90 days for their layaway. So they do have a lot of different ways to help the buyer and make the bag affordable. So here it is again. That's what she looks like now that we got the paperwork out of here. And she came, of course, they gave, you know, some of the confetti is at the bottom there. The packaging is so nice. And of course, they include the nice, lovely nail file. All the confetti is stuck to the nail file, you guys. But they have the confetti. The confetti is just so pretty. So that's the nail file. And then the rest of that is just the packaging in the bottom of the bag. And I thought the bottom of the bag used to say, yeah, it says, thank you from the bottom of this box down in there. I remember it said that. It says at the bottom here, it says, thank you from the bottom of this box. I think that's a nice touch. And like I already said, their wrapping is just on point. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm nervous myself, you guys, because this is my first Chanel double flat bag. And oh my God, I could feel this through the package, how soft it is, because I did go ahead and I opted to get the lambskin leather as opposed to the caviar leather. So I did opt to go and get the lambskin leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this little part up right here to open her, you guys. Okay, there she is to reveal. Oh, she's in the dust bag. I was thinking I was gonna see the bag right away. I thought they would put I thought they were gonna wrap it and then put her in the dust bag and I would see the dust bag first, but instead they had the wrapping over the dust bag. So here she is, and it's so funny because I actually can feel how soft she is through this dust bag, which is kind of crazy to me. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that I would be able to feel how soft the bag is through the dust bag, but I sure can, you guys. Okay, so let me go ahead and open the dust bag to reveal my beauty right here. Here she is, you guys. My lovely double flap. So this is the medium double flap, Chanel medium double flap bag, you guys. She is so pretty, and she comes with her certificate of authenticity from Fashionphile. I love the color. I do want to eventually incorporate a black into my collection or another color, but I just thought this blue was so pretty. And she is in the lovely blue lambskin leather, perforated leather with the perforated quilting. I don't know, I hope you guys can see that. And then she has the lovely Mona Lisa smile pocket on the back. That's so pretty. This is what the bottom of her looks like, and the sides. This leather feels so nice. And then she has the Mademoiselle turn lock closure, the Chanel Mademoiselle turn lock closures. And I'm gonna go ahead and take her strap out. I'm so pleased to reveal the lovely double flap. And she has beautiful, delicious blue leather on the interior. And there's the double flap. Oh, she looks so pretty, you guys. I'm so happy with my purchase. Because you don't know, you know, when you're purchasing the item, you're looking at a photo. You know, you try to look at the different angles of the different photos, but you know, you don't really know until you get it. You really don't know until you actually get the item. Oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. And there it says Chanel. Let me take her strap out. Here it says Chanel on the back, right there. And then this is what the interior looks like. She's so nice and clean in there. This is what the interior looks like. And you see she has her lovely lipstick pocket right there. And then she has the other pocket for the love letters right here. And then this is what the interior looks like. And then she does have another envelope pocket right here in the front. So this is my lovely Chanel double flap, medium double flap in the lambskin quilted perforated leather. So pretty. And she's in the silver hardware. I really love her because she's a classic chain bag. just simple, classic style, very simplistic. She's gonna go with just about everything, go with a lot of different things in my collection, a lot of my clothing, you guys. Let me go ahead and adjust the chain strap. And here she is with the elongated chain strap, you guys. So yeah, thank you for joining me for my Fashionphile unboxing. I'm really gonna enjoy this bag in my collection, and I wanted to see one thing because I don't know, this was just something that okay, I don't have it in here with me because I wanted to try it. Okay, here it is. Yes, I do. I wanted to just try my lipstick. I've always wanted to, you guys. I've always wanted to go ahead and try my lipstick and, you know, see. Now, this is a pretty thick tube of lipstick. So I wanted to go ahead and see if it would fit down in that pocket. I know that, yeah, it does. I know that some people don't, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in there, but there's my lipstick in the pocket, and I know that that can stretch out the bag, the pocket. So, you know, you could use a smaller tube of lipstick. The Hermes lipstick is very, you know, it's very wide. So I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and put that lipstick in the pocket, but I just always wanted to go ahead and do that, you guys. I might put a smaller tube of lipstick in that pocket because I don't want to stretch that pocket out. But I'm gonna have fun, you know, experimenting with my new bag and seeing what all my double flap Chanel can hold, as well as, you know, I'll do a what's in my bag with this, come back and do a what's in my bag for you guys. But I have to say that I am really, truly happy to be adding something from the Chanel luxury fashion house into my collection. This bag puts a smile on my face. I'm so, so happy to have it into my collection, you guys. And I just wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you again soon in another video.